Extra virgin olive oil is far more than just food. It is a legacy. To earn the status of liquid gold, every olive embarks on a journey. From ancient trees rooted in history to high-tech cold-press facilities, this process is where absolute purity is preserved and celebrated at every single stage of production. The contrast between the rugged beauty of the groves and the clinical precision of the modern mill defines the standard for the finest oils in the world. Inside these walls, tradition meets technology. Every pipe and tank is designed to protect the delicate essence of the fruit from heat, light, and damaging oxygen. This vibrant, golden liquid is the result of meticulous care. It represents the pinnacle of Mediterranean agriculture and the relentless pursuit of nutritional and culinary perfection. Thus, the term extra virgin is not just a label. It is a promise of quality, flavor, and health benefits that have been cherished for many thousands of years. As the harvest begins, the race against time starts. Precision machinery is used to ensure the fruit is collected at its absolute peak of nutritional ripeness. Mechanical shakers efficiently vibrate the trunks, causing thousands of ripe olives to fall gently onto the waiting nets spread across the ground below the ancient trees. Skilled hands work alongside machines, performing an initial sort to ensure only the healthiest fruit continues the journey toward becoming the finest extra virgin olive oil. Time is the enemy of quality in this industry. To maintain an acidity level below 0.8%, speed is the most critical factor during harvest. The crates are quickly loaded and transported. Every hour the fruit spends under the sun after being picked increases the risk of oxidation and quality degradation. The journey from the grove to the mill must be completed within 24 hours. This rapid turnaround is what preserves the fresh, peppery notes of the oil. Look at the skin of a perfect olive. It is taut and vibrant. Only fruit in this pristine condition can produce oil worthy of the heritage name. By processing the harvest within a single day, we lock in the antioxidants and ensure the chemical profile meets the strict international standards for the highest grade. Upon arrival at the mill, the olives are fed into the system. This marks the beginning of their transformation from whole fruit into pure liquid essence. Powerful air currents blow away any remaining leaves and debris. Purity starts here, ensuring that only the fruit itself enters the critical crushing and extraction stages. A multi-stage washing system uses pure, filtered water to remove every trace of dust. The olives must be perfectly clean before they are turned into a paste. In this sterile, controlled environment, hygiene is paramount. Every drop of water used is monitored to prevent any contamination of the final precious oil product. The clean olives move steadily toward the heart of the mill. This transition is seamless, part of a closed-loop system designed to minimize contact with the air. They now enter the sealed crushing chamber. Here, the physical structure of the olive is broken down to release the tiny oil droplets hidden within the pulp. The hammer mill grinds the fruit, skins, and pits into a rich paste. This mechanical process is intense but carefully controlled to avoid generating any unnecessary heat. This paste contains everything: oil, water, and solid fruit matter. The next stage, known as malaxation, is where the art of the master miller truly begins. During malaxation, the paste is slowly stirred for 45 minutes. This gentle movement allows small oil droplets to collide and form larger, easier to extract pools of oil. As the paddles turn, the oil naturally separates from the fruit fibers. No chemicals or high heat are ever used, preserving the oil's delicate and complex aroma. Temperature control is the law of the land. We strictly maintain the paste below 27 degrees Celsius to ensure the final product is officially cold-pressed oil. This low temperature is vital for protecting the heat-sensitive polyphenols. These organic compounds are responsible for the oil's health benefits and its signature bitter, peppery finish. Now comes the peak of technology. The decanter centrifuge. It uses massive centrifugal force to separate the oil from the heavier water and solid fruit pomace. Spinning at thousands of revolutions per minute, the machine exploits the different densities of the components. The pure oil is drawn out from the very center. A second, vertical centrifuge performs the final polishing. This removes any remaining microscopic water particles, leaving the olive oil perfectly clear and bright in its appearance. The result is a continuous stream of liquid gold. The color is a vibrant testament to the freshness of the fruit and the precision of the extraction. Witness the transformation. On one side, the discarded dry solids. On the other, the concentrated essence of the Mediterranean sun captured in a bottle of oil. Quality control is rigorous and scientific. Every batch is sampled and sent to the laboratory to confirm it meets the highest chemical and sensory standards required. Scientists analyze the fatty acid profile and check for any signs of oxidation. Only oil with a perfect score is allowed to carry our prestigious brand name. Packaging is the final line of defense. We use dark tinted glass bottles to protect the oil from ultraviolet light, which would otherwise destroy its delicate flavor. The bottles are filled under a nitrogen blanket. By removing the oxygen before sealing, and we ensure the oil stays as fresh as the moment it was pressed. Precision robotics ensure a perfect seal every time. This high-speed automation maintains the sterile integrity of the product from the storage tank directly into the final bottle. The labels are applied with pride. They display the harvest date and batch number, providing full traceability from the specific grove to your kitchen table at home. Now the journey is complete. The oil is ready to be enjoyed, bringing the rich flavors and health-giving properties of the olive tree to your gourmet meals. Whether drizzled over fresh greens or used to finish a sophisticated dish, its presence elevates the culinary experience, offering a taste of true Mediterranean agricultural excellence. A single taste reveals the complex notes of grass, almond, and artichoke. This is the reward for the hard work, the technology, and the ancient tradition combined. The marriage of heritage and science creates a treasure for your health. This liquid gold is the very essence of the earth and the precision of technology. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Experience the pure essence of the Mediterranean with Process Vault, where heritage meets the future of food. Notice the thick, luxurious viscosity of this premium oil. It is a sign of high quality and careful processing that retains all the natural fruit waxes. As night falls over the groves, the legacy continues. These trees have stood for centuries, and our technology ensures their gifts are preserved for many more generations. Behind every bottle is a sophisticated control system. We monitor every variable from torque to temperature to ensure the oil never loses its precious volatile aromas. Cleanliness is our religion. Every piece of machinery is sanitized between batches to prevent any cross-contamination, ensuring that every drop of oil is as pure as possible. Professional tasters evaluate the oil's harmony. They look for the perfect balance between fruitiness, bitterness, and pungency, the three pillars of a great extra virgin olive oil. Human expertise remains at the core of our process. Our engineers and millers use their decades of experience to fine-tune the machines for each unique harvest. Our facility is a model of sustainability, designed to minimize its environmental footprint, while maximizing the quality of the liquid gold it produces for the world. The selection starts in the field. We only harvest when the olives reach the veraison stage, the exact moment they contain the highest concentration of beneficial oils. The fragrance of the fresh paste fills the mill. It smells of freshly cut grass and green tomatoes, a sensory indicator that the extraction process is going perfectly. Centrifugal separation is a physical process, not a chemical one. By using gravity-defying speeds, we achieve a level of clarity that was once impossible for ancient civilizations. Our logistics are as precise as our production. From the moment the oil is bottled, it is kept in a climate-controlled environment until it reaches your doorstep. Clarity is a hallmark of our filtration. We remove the micro-sediments that could cause the oil to ferment, ensuring a stable shelf life and a clean taste. In the hands of a chef, our olive oil is a transformative ingredient. It bridges flavors together, adding a depth and richness that is simply irreplaceable in fine dining. From this single source of heritage, our oil travels across the globe, bringing the healthy essence of the Mediterranean lifestyle to kitchens and families everywhere. The story of olive oil is the story of civilization. By choosing extra virgin, you are participating in a tradition that has nourished humanity for over 6 millennia. At the heart of every great meal is a great oil. It is the silent hero of the kitchen, providing health, flavor, and a connection to the land. Every drop is a masterpiece of nature and engineering. We invite you to taste the difference that passion, technology, and heritage can make in your life. Process Vault, where the secrets of the past are unlocked by the technology of the future. Thank you for watching our journey from field to bottle.